How to make Facebook ads more profitable. So from recent time, I am on YouTube posting content for around 9 to 10 months. So constantly I'm getting these messages from the people, and what kind of ad strategy we should use, what kind of testing structure we should use, how to scale Facebook ads, right? So these are the couple of questions that are coming on my Instagram DMs and on LinkedIn also. So I am addressing all of these and telling you very straightforwardly, and telling you what you need to have before running Facebook ads and what system needs to be placed. I can show you these types of screens, multiple brands where I've generated millions dollar in revenue for my clients for different niches, right? So a couple of days back, I've got a request from a potential client that we want to work with you, but they were facing a very serious issue in their Facebook ads. Like, they have a very good product, good ad creatives, video creatives. They have done everything professionally, and they got very good ad creatives, images, videos professionally shot, done like UGC, everything is perfect, but still they are not profitable, right? So what we did with them is I got on this Zoom meeting with them, and they were showing me their ad creatives, and they were really good. Like, they were really hitting the pain points, addressing the issue that the people are facing in their niche and what problem they are solving with the product. Everything was good. Like, I was like, how, why you are not profitable, right? So when I look into their ad accounts, I can instantly see where the issue is. What I discovered is they have a very poor campaign structure. Every time they want to launch an ad, they create a new campaign, and they don't have any testing strategy also, like how to test the Facebook ad creatives, what variable they want to test, what kind of budget they need to introduce in the ads, structuring wise, budgeting wise, scaling wise, and when to increase the budget, when to lower the budget. These are the visible issue that I can see them. Then I get into their ads manager. I've asked them to give me a couple of days to get into details of your ad accounts and see what can be done. So I instantly get into their ads manager and see what needs to be done and how we can improve it. It was easy for me to see the issue because I'm doing this on daily basis, and I only run the Facebook ads for my clients, and I know what is the issue they are facing. I am giving you a context that how Facebook ads, how small things make a lot of difference in running Facebook ads and getting success out of this. Right. So recently we generated $1 million for our client. It's a D2C brand, and things are going great here. So let me show you what I want to address over here. So what is the desired outcome of somebody running Facebook ads, whether it's an advertiser or a business owner? I've seen business owners running Facebook ads for them and highly suggest them to hire a Facebook advertiser. Desired outcome of the Facebook ads is to make money, whether it's a service based company or a D2C brand, right, or a B2B. They want to make money, they want to live a better life, they want to expand their business, they want to scale their business. So Facebook ad is a factory. You need to understand, Facebook ad is a wholesome factory where each and every part of that factory is really important, because if any of that part is disturbed or not working properly, it is not giving the desired result. Like, we want to make XYZ products out of this factory. If any of the parts or the raw materials of that product is not being processed by the factory, it's not going to make the money. It is not going to make money. So when we launch a Facebook ad, we generally see ad copies, ad creatives, targeting options, campaign structure, budget strategy, testing strategy, landing page, unit economics, offers. If any of these things is not working, or any of this thing is broken, if any of these part of a factory is not working, and it is not working smoothly, it is not going to produce money. I want you to listen this carefully. If any of this part of the factory is not working, or it is not in the right place, it's not going to produce money. What is ad creatives? image, video ads, carousel ads. These are the ads that you can run. Ad copy, primary text, headlines. These are the things that matters. Like what are the targeting options that you need to focus on? What kind of campaign structure you need to focus to make the desired results? Right? What kind of budget strategy you need to focus on? What kind of testing strategy you need to have to make things work? Is your landing page even okay? It is even relevant to the offer that you are selling. So what is the unit economics of the funnel? It can be a webinar, it can be e-commerce, right? So you need to understand what kind of unit economics is there, whether you want to focus on generating first time purchase, or giving something free, right? So you need to understand what all these things are. Offer, what kind of offer is relevant in your market, what are you giving in return to the person. Offer is not just something that you put in the ads, like give 10% to the first time buyer. Every part of the funnel is the offer, call to action, giving you the registration, giving you the purchase, giving adding to the cart, and every page that a person visit from starting to the end point is the offer. Then only person will buy. So you need to focus on each and everything. It's not just a single thing, a magic thing that is going to perform. If you see anybody who is killing on Facebook ads, whether it's a D2C brands, e-commerce, webinar, funnel, they have successfully placed all the parts in the factory where they are printing money. If any of these things like budget strategy is not working, you will not able to produce money. If your campaign structure is not right, you will not make money. If your landing page is irrelevant, how a person do xyz then can get a desired outcome, but your landing page is saying something else, it will never work. You don't have a targeting strategy, you don't have testing strategy. If any of these thing is not working, even the whole thing is good, even if you have created best ad creative, best ad copy, best targeting option, best testing strategy, but your unit economics is not correct, it will fail. So I've seen people focusing on ROAS. Most of the advertiser that showcase you 6x ROX, 7x, 9x ROS, 10x ROS. These metrics that you focus on is not the business building scaling metrics that you need to focus on, right? For example, drop shipping. Drop shipper focus on providing first time purchase, so they need to have a good ROAS to get the results, to make money. If the product is $50 and you are getting cost of acquisition as a $10, you have just make 5x of the money that you have spent on Facebook. Okay, you got the money. Even if the product is not delivered to the client, but you got the money, you already made $40. But when you create a D2C brand, you don't need to focus on ROAS. You can spend a little bit higher on first purchase, focus on increasing the lifetime value of the customer or increasing the average order value, AOV, LTV. These are the business building matrices that every person should focus on. Brand loyalty, how good you are in treating your customers. So you need to focus on all these things. If any of these things is disturbed or not working, you will not able to generate profits in the Facebook. It's really simple. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any queries or comment related to this video, or any of you facing issue in your Facebook ad accounts, you can put in the comment section and I will help you. And you need to give me a context before asking me question that this is our situation, what to do.